Hello people, welcome to Sistis Trading. This is Yuvraj and we are going to talk about a very interesting topic called algo trading. Algo trading has become very popular in the country of late, and each and everyone wants to be a part of this algo revolution. So we won't be getting into the technical aspects or the coding aspect of algo trading. We'll explain you in a very simple manner how exactly algo trading works. Algo trading is a set of pre-programmed instructions that will help you to execute the trade in a robotic manner. You don't have to manually execute the order. All you have to do is set up few instructions by using things like volume, price, etc. And then you can execute the order robotically without any emotions, and you can follow the system too. So that is what algo trading is all about. Let's quickly take a look at a simple example for the same. Suppose if you are a bank nifty trader and you would like to buy more once it crosses 40,000. So as it crosses by, and if it touches like 40,100, 200, you would like to add more lots to your existing positions. So what you can do is you can execute a simple fully automated algo that will help you do this, since it will be very tedious to do it manually, like monitor every 100 movement and all those stuff. So what you can do is you can create this algo that will help you do the job of a assistant trader, and that can completely execute it. And at the same time, you can also construct a semi-automated algo that will give you alerts to your Telegram channel or your WhatsApp saying that the price is crossed 39,000 or 40,000, and you can execute that trade manually. So that's how algo would really help you to become a better trader, because firstly you're following the system, second you're not taking an emotional decision, you're waiting for the system to cross a certain threshold before you place that trade. Algo trading came into existence in the year 2008. However, it has been used only by the high-end tech-savvy investors and institutional investors due to the complexity involved in the same. However, in the last 4 or 5 years, there are a lot of people, a lot of retail traders who have got into algo trading due to the advancement in technology, and there are a lot of easily available methods through which you can create your own algos, and you can execute the same. So let's talk about these simple methods of execution. The first and the most oldest methods of execution is by having a bridge. This bridge is actually installed in the trading software like AmiBroker or MT4 MetaTrader, and through that bridge you can actually execute the programmable trades onto your broker's terminal. And then the second one is by building a API. There are a lot of brokers like Angel Broking, Zerodha, Upstocks, who offer their own APIs, which is called the application program interface, through which you can actually build your algos, set of instructions, and send those things to the broker terminal through which you can execute your algos. And the third one is a very expensive proposition, wherein you need to create your own custom software. This is usually done by high-end brokers or some big high-end clients who would love to have their own self, and then they wouldn't want to rely on the third party to execute their algos. So these are the three main types through which you can do algo trading. Now let's talk about the benefits of automation over manual trading. What happens in manual trading? When you're doing manual trades, you're completely emotional. Although you take a lot of positions as per a certain system or something, but once you enter a trade, as you go through the trades, what happens is, like, when you're making losses, you keep on building on your positions, and as you're making money, you actually book it earlier. There are a lot of challenges you face when it comes to manual trading. There's a lot of noise in today's markets. It's become a very small world. Every time there is like so much information coming into the market, the war is going on, or else like the recession is coming up. There's so many other challenges which you face. But when it comes to automated trading, you can have a unbiased trading experience. You won't be able to take any haphazard decisions based on certain data. You'll completely follow your system. You will be very disciplined, which is the crux of any technical analysis system to be successful. You can maintain a good risk reward ratio, you can follow the plan, and at the same time you can monitor a lot of positions together. When it comes to manual trading, you have to literally stick around with the screen, and you have to watch each and every moment, and it will be very difficult for you to monitor so many of these things. When it comes to options trading, there are so many strike prices which you have to monitor. There are so many different instruments, like whether you should watch at the banking sector like a HDFC or ICICI Bank. At the same time, you have to look at Nifty, Bank Nifty, and all those stuff. Whereas if you have a algorithmic trading in place, what it will do is it will monitor all these parameters together, and it will give you the best possible trade without any emotional biases, and that will make you a very successful trader. So that is the ultimate benefit of becoming a algo trader. And with the advent of new systems, better internet and everything, this is where like algo trading wins over manual trading. Proper execution would always be performed by a robo than a human. That has been proved time and again. And as you see, in the 20th century, each and everything is done by artificial intelligence. Let it be Amazon, Facebook, each and everyone is tracking data to track their customers, to get conversions. Why not use the same thing when it comes to trading? So that is the, like, that's where algorithmic trading comes into picture. However, it is not a guaranteed, quick success scheme which you can think of. However, it helps you a lot in becoming a very disciplined trader, a organized trader who can work on the systems more and focus less on the emotions. Automated trading is nothing but following a set of process, a set of principles, a set of rules, and a set of instructions that you give to the computer to execute a certain task. And when you follow a certain process, there will definitely be progress in your trading. I've seen that like there are a lot of people who are like not really successful when it came to manual trading. They actually became successful when they followed a certain process by using algo trading. All they do is like they start in the morning, they look at the markets, they keep their positions, they deploy their capital, and then they start their algos in the system, and then they forget it until 3:30 unless and until there is some crazy moment in the market. So what happens is they every weekend they actually sit down and then they fine tune their system to maximize their returns, and tune their risk reward ratio to get the best out of the market, rather than getting in and out of the market and killing their PNL once and forever. Let me share you a quick story about how algo trading can be beneficial to you as a retail trader. An Airbus flight was flying across the Atlantic at a speed of around 800 kilometers per hour at 35,000 feet, and suddenly it sees a fighter jet coming across it in the front. The pilot of the fighter jet slows down, flies alongside the Airbus plane, and greets the pilot by radio. He says, "So boring long flight, isn't it? Now take a look at this." The fighter jet plane takes off. It flies off to dizzying heights and literally flies down to the sea level. It tumbles, it goes here and there, and then like finally comes to a same position. And then he again speaks to the passenger plane pilot through radio and says that like, how was it? How do you see it? Like, was it like a magical experience? Like, did you really enjoy the stuff? Asked the fighter jet pilot. Now the Airbus pilot answered, "That was pretty impressive what you did. I was totally bowled over, but now watch this. Look at what I'm going to do." The jet pilot watches the Airbus, and after a period of 15 minutes, nothing really happens. There is no momentum, nothing really happened. So the fighter jet pilot actually calls up the passenger plane pilot and asks like, "What did you do? Like, what happened exactly in the last 15 minutes? I didn't see anything happening. So what did you do exactly?" The Abyss pilot laughed and said that, I took a quick 15-minute break, put the passenger plane on autopilot, had a loo break, grabbed a nice cup of coffee and a piece of cake, and enjoyed a small conversation with the people around, and came back to my cockpit in that 15 minutes. The moral of the story is that when you're very young, you like that excitement, you like that thrill, you like the speed, you like to do things which makes you feel crazy rather than being very organized. So but as you grow older, it's like you enjoy the peace of mind, and you need to enjoy the forget about all the jet planes coming around you. There'll be a lot of people who might be claiming that like this has happened in his life or that has happened in his life. You just need to focus on your goal, and you need to focus on the cruise mode, which a thing like algo trading provides you. It'll help you follow a system, and it gives you peace of mind, and it always works to have a simple system and a proper risk management in place, rather than having multiple things going in your system at the same time. Hope you enjoyed the simple video on what algo trading is all about and how it can help you become a disciplined trader. Keep watching this channel and subscribe to our channel to have much more interesting videos on many more concepts of trading. And you can also visit our website www.systys.com, systys.com, for many more information on different concepts of algo trading. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.